In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mood board in FigJam. A mood board is a simple, visual way to collect colors, images, textures, and typography that communicate the feeling of a project. Whether you're planning a brand, a website, or a presentation, this process helps you align ideas quickly and visually. First, head to figma.com and log in. Once you're in your workspace, look for the FigJam option on the home screen. You can start a fresh FigJam board if you want a blank canvas, or open a recent FigJam file if you already have a board where you'd like to place your mood board. Either option works. Choose the one that best fits how you like to organize your projects. If you prefer not to start from scratch, open the Templates section and search for Moodboard. FigJam provides a variety of ready-made layouts that give you structure right away. This is a great way to save time and instantly get a clean grid, headings, and placeholders you can customize. Hover over the template you like and click Add Template. FigJam will drop it into your board at full size, ready to go. If it lands off-center, just zoom out to see the entire layout and reposition it so you have room to work. Now edit the template to make it yours. Replace placeholder images with your own references by dragging files from your desktop or pasting images you've copied. Use clear labels for sections like color palette, typography, photography style, and inspiration. If the template includes headings you don't need, delete them. If you need more space, duplicate a section and keep the spacing consistent for a clean look. Adjust colors to match your concept. You can add swatches with rectangles and fill them with your chosen hues. Keep hex codes or names and small text under each swatch so you can reference them later. Add short notes or sticky style callouts to explain why an image belongs on the board. Think feeling, texture, or use case. Group related items so they stay aligned when you move them. As you refine, aim for balance. Keep enough white space to avoid clutter. Align edges so the board feels intentional, and limit your palette to the tones that truly represent your direction. When everything feels cohesive, give the board a clear title at the top so it's easy to find and discuss later. And that's it. You've created a mood board in FigJam by logging in, opening FigJam, using a template if you like, adding it to your board, and editing it to reflect your vision.